You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to look at how you can solve this question. You can solve this question. This question says that find the value of n shows that 16 raised to the power 2n times 64 raised to the power 4 over 256 raised to the power 2 is equal to 256 raised to the power 3n. So what we just do here now is to make these numbers as what? As indices form. Make it as indices form. So what are the numbers that we can put here that have the same base and the same base and the same base and the same base here? That will give you 64, and the number that you can raise to the power something that give you the 16, raise to the power something that will give you the 64, and raise to the power something that will give you the 256, the same thing that occurs in this place. So in this place now, if you check this place now, 2 is common to both sides here. 2 is common here, 2 is also common here. So if you say 2 is power something that will give you what? 16. So here we have 2 is power 4, 2 is power 4 here, give us 16. In this place, we have 2 is power 6 here, give us 64. In this place, we have 2 is power 8 here, give you 264 and 256. So here, you can write it like this. This can be written as this. 2 is power 4 raised to power 2n. So 2 is power 4 gives us this 16. Multiplied by, we have 64 here. So 2 is power 6 here can give what? Our 2 is power 6 here give what? 64. So here we have 2 is power 6. Open brackets, we have the power of this 4. Everything divided by, we have 2. We have 2 is power 8 here. 2 is power 8 is power 2. So 2 is power 8 give what? 256. Equal to the same thing here. We have 2 is power 8. Also is power 3n. So in this place now, we are breaking it down now. This one have the same base. This one have the same base. This one also have the same base here because they have base of what? 2, 2, 2, 2. So in this place now, if you look at this one now, this indices, if you compare to one indices law, this place is called power of index. Power index. This one is power index. So here we will make this one to multiply this. If you open this bracket, this one multiply this. This also multiply by this. So this one can get 4 times 2n. Give us 2 raised to power. 4 times 2 here, we have what? 8 what? n. Multiply by, we have 2. 4 times 4 here, and 6 times 4 here, give what? 24. That is 2 raised to power 24. Everything divided by 2. 8 times 2. 8 times 2 give us 16. You have 2 raised to power 16. Equal to 8 times 4 give us 24. You have 2 raised to power 24 n. So in this case now we are breaking down small. So if you look at this one, we have base 2 here, base 2 here, base 2 here, base 2 here. So let's apply our full indices to this place. So you know that indices, multiplication means what? Minus. And you have division, multiplication means what? Plus. And division means what? Minus. So what if we apply to this place is this one. Okay, let me first break it down. So we have 2 8s, 2 raised to power 8 m. Multiply by 2 raised to power 24, divide by 2 raised to power 16 equal to 2 raised to power 24 what? M. So in this place now, I'll make it what? So if you apply the indices to this place, now if you apply the indices to this place, we have what? Multiplication is equal to what? Plus, and I have division is equal to what? Minus. So if you apply to this place, now since this one and this one and this one, we have what? The same base. Base 2, base 2, base 2. So in this place now, let's take what? 1, 2. So the index of this place, we have 8 what? n. Multiplication here, that's a plus. This one, we have the index of what? 24. Division here, that's what? Minus. Index of what? 16 equal to what? 2 raised to power 2 what? 24 what? n. So if you look at this one, let me bring this to about the condition. So in this place now, so we have our 2 here, we have base 2 here, and this side also will have the same base, which is what? 2 and 2. So in this place now, we can cancel these 2 can cancel these 2. So now there will be what? 8m plus 2, 24 minus 16 is equal to 24m. So in this place now, so we get this, or this are form of same point equation now, small. So for this place now, because this one and this one they are the same. So you subtract 16 from 24. So that's 16 from 24, you give what? 8. You have 8m plus 8 equal to what? 24m. So in this place now, what we just do here, we collect like time because we have m here, we also have m here. So you bring this 8 to this place, or either bring this one to this place, or bring this one to this place. So you can do it like, let's take this 8 to this place. Let's take this 8m to this place. We have 8 is equal to what? 24m minus what? 8 what? m. So if you subtract this 8m for 24m, so you have a 16. So let's say that we have 8 is equal to, we have 24 minus 8, we have 16m. So if you have 16m now, since we are working towards this m, because you have to find the value of this m. So if you want to find the value of this m now, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of m, and the coefficient of m here is what? Is 16. So you divide both sides by what? 16. Divide both sides by what? 16. So 16 cancels the 16. So left with what? 16. Here we have m is equal to 8 over 16. What can go here? Okay, 8 can go in both sides here. So 8 here, we have 1, we have 8 here, we have 2. So m is equal to 1 over 2. Either you leave it in fraction, or you can say, or m is also equal to what? 0.5. So this is how your m is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So that is the value of this m. So in this case now, if you see this type of question, this is how you solve it. So m is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So if you like this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and also turn the notification button.